Hi friends, good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss the next section of the poem The Best Land, which is Death by Water. So friends, it is the smallest section of this poem. So we would like to read the whole section. Phlebas the Phoenician, a fortnight dead, forgot the cry of gulls and the deep sea swell, and the profit and loss, a current under sea, picked his bones in whispers as he rose and fell. He passed the stages of his age and youth, entering the whirlpool, Gentile argue. O you who turn the wheel and look to windward, consider Phlebas, who was once handsome and tall as you. Friends, it is the smallest section of the Best Land poem, that is written by T.S. Eliot. It is most organized and structured section with 10 lines. This section is the smallest section of this poem, which has only 10 lines. T.S. Eliot advises to spend to escape from doom as Phlebas, irrespective of Gentile or Jews. Here Gentile means person who not belong to Jews. Phlebas was once handsome and tall as you. It is also mentioned in the last line of this section. Dead Phoenician lying in the water, that was mentioned by Madame Sosorist in the first part of the poem, who is a fortune teller. फ्रेंड्स, फोनेशियन सेलर की बात फर्स्ट सेक्शन में की गई है, जिसमें टैरो कार्ड की बात की गई है. डेथ बाय वाटर and Fisher King are used as a symbol of fertility, means purification and rebirth. Madame Sosorist wants visitors to fear from death by water. So, at the last of this video, we will discuss the line-to-line explanation. Phlebas, the Phoenician sailor, a fortnight dead. In this section, before 2 weeks, a Phoenician sailor named Phlebas was drowned in the sea, forgot the cry of gulls. Now he had drowned in the sea, so he cannot hear the cry of gulls. Gulls is a type of seabird, and the deep sea swell, and the profit and loss. Now Phlebas has gone, means he had dead, so he cannot consider about the profit and loss. A current under sea picked his bones in whispers as he rose and fell. Here, as he rose and fell, stand for in the sea with the wave, his bones are floating in the water. He passed the stages of his age and youth, entering the whirlpool. Here, entering the whirlpool means this life is like a whirlpool, means rebirth and death is the life cycle of this every person life. Gentile or Jews. Gentile or Jew means person whether he is Jews or not Jews. Every person had to face the life cycle of this life. O you who turn the wheel and took to windward, consider Phlebas, who was once handsome and tall as you. Here T.S. Eliot says that person, whether he is thin, fat, ugly or handsome, every person will have to die and will have to rebirth. It is the life cycle of this universe. Friends, if this video is beneficial for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.